Extended time outdoors changes how food and water are managed. Cooling becomes less about convenience and more about planning, preserving nutrition, reducing waste, and keeping routines predictable. The Anker EverFrost-powered cooler is built around that long-view approach, offering controlled refrigeration that doesn't depend on ice cycles or constant resupply. In real use, temperature remains stable across changing conditions, allowing perishables to stay usable longer without constant checking. The unit operates quietly, integrating into camp without drawing attention, and its mobility allows it to move with the flow of daily activity rather than anchoring camp to one spot. Over time, the cooler becomes less about cold storage and more about consistency, supporting longer stays by reducing uncertainty around food management. In camps where duration matters, tools that stabilize routine tend to carry the most value. Extended time in camp often reveals the need for space that's protected but still connected to the outdoors. Changing clothes, organizing gear, or waiting out weather all benefit from an area that feels enclosed without feeling permanent. The rough country rooftop tent Annex is designed to create that intermediate zone beneath a rooftop tent, adding usable shelter without complicating setup. In real use, it extends downward to form a grounded enclosure that shields against wind, rain, and direct sun, while remaining flexible enough to adapt to uneven terrain. Movement inside feels practical rather than confined, supporting daily routines that usually happen in the open. Over time, the Annex becomes less about extra space and more about structure, helping camp feel settled and deliberate. In longer stays, that added layer of protection often changes how comfortably and confidently camp life unfolds. Power in camp is most valuable when it feels invisible. Devices charge, systems run, and lights stay on without becoming the focus of attention. The DJI Power 1000 V2 is designed around that idea, delivering stable energy output that supports modern camping without reshaping it. In real-world use, it handles mixed loads predictably, maintaining output without fluctuation or audible strain. Charging cycles remain controlled, and power delivery stays consistent across extended use. Instead of encouraging constant interaction, the unit supports a set-and-forget approach, allowing attention to return to surroundings rather than screens or indicators. Over time, the power station becomes less about capacity and more about assurance. In camps that blend comfort with self-reliance, dependable power quietly reinforces both. Cooking in camp often marks the transition from movement to rest. It's the point where the day slows down and routine takes shape again. The Ooni Karu 16 pizza oven fits into that moment by offering controlled, high-heat cooking without turning the process into a performance. In real use, it reaches and maintains cooking temperature with consistency, allowing food to be prepared deliberately rather than rushed. Heat distribution remains even, supporting predictable results without constant adjustment. Despite its capability, the oven doesn't dominate camp. It becomes a focal point only when in use, then settles back into the background. Over time, it supports shared meals that feel intentional rather than improvised, reinforcing the role of cooking as part of camp rhythm rather than a separate activity. Wood processing in camp is rarely about speed. It's about control, safety, and conserving energy while preparing fuel or clearing space. The Gerber Freescape camp saw is designed with that reality in mind, offering a folding structure that prioritizes stability over force. In use, the blade tracks cleanly through wood, allowing controlled cuts without binding or unnecessary effort. The frame holds tension reliably, reducing vibration and improving accuracy, even when working with awkward branches. When folded, it stores without risk, reinforcing its role as a tool that's ready when needed but unobtrusive otherwise. In longer stays, tools like this support routine rather than reaction, helping camp tasks feel manageable instead of demanding. Lighting in camp shapes how evenings unfold. It determines whether tasks feel rushed or unhurried, whether movement feels deliberate or cautious. The Outtaskt multifunction light approaches illumination as a flexible support rather than a fixed output. In use, it adapts to different needs, providing ambient light for shared spaces or focused illumination when precision matters. Brightness remains controlled, avoiding harsh glare while maintaining clarity. The design allows placement where light is most useful, reducing the need to reposition as activities change. Over time, the light becomes part of the background, supporting visibility without drawing attention. In camps where calm matters as much as function, lighting that responds quietly often becomes essential. Rest in camp isn't always about sleep. Sometimes it's about stepping out of motion and letting the body reset without fully shutting down. The Jungle Explorer Hammock supports that kind of pause by offering a suspended resting space that removes pressure from uneven ground and damp terrain. In real use, the hammock sets up quickly between natural anchors, creating a stable place to sit, lie back, or simply stay still while remaining aware of surroundings. The fabric holds weight evenly, reducing strain points and allowing longer periods of rest without constant repositioning. Over time, it becomes less about relaxation and more about recovery, giving the body a chance to reset between movement and tasks. In longer camps, that ability to rest lightly but effectively often shapes how sustainable the experience feels. Comfort in camp doesn't have to come at the expense of structure. The Mars Player's Ultimate Glamping Kit is designed to introduce order and familiarity into outdoor living without removing the sense of place. In use, the kit establishes a defined living area that supports sitting, dining, and shared time with less improvisation. Each component contributes to a more stable routine, allowing camp to feel settled rather than temporary. Over extended stays, that structure reduces friction, making daily activities feel calmer and more deliberate. Instead of chasing convenience, the kit supports consistency, helping camp life settle into a rhythm that feels sustainable rather than hurried. For those who stay longer in one place, that balance often matters more than minimalism. Hydration in the outdoors usually depends on planning, knowing where water comes from, and how long it will last. The Fontus self-filling bottle approaches that challenge from a different angle, using ambient moisture and light to supplement water supply gradually. In real-world use, it doesn't replace traditional water sources, but it contributes quietly, collecting small amounts over time without demanding attention. This slow accumulation supports longer movement between refills and adds a layer of redundancy to hydration planning. Over time, the bottle becomes part of a broader system rather than a single solution. In outdoor environments, tools that extend margins without changing routine often provide value not through volume, but through reliability and foresight. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more camping gear, outdoor setups, and practical gear reviews, you can subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated with future videos.